Hi children, in our previous classes we have seen nouns and compound words and I gave some assignments to you. I hope all are done your assignments properly. Come let's check your answers and revise the previous classes. At first we are going to revise nouns. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. A word that is the name of a person, a place, an animal, a thing or an idea. It's called nouns. First exercise is write the collective names. Write the collective names. To indicate any group we use collective noun. To indicate any group we use collective noun. See the first picture. A dash of birds. A dash of birds. Group of birds called as flock. Group of birds called as flock. See the second picture. A dash of grapes. A dash of grapes. What is the answer? Bunch of grapes. Bunch of grapes. The next Roman, match the pictures with the collective nouns. Match the pictures with the collective nouns. First one, a flock of goats. A flock of goats. Second one, a bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. Third one, an army of soldiers. An army of soldiers. Fourth one, a shoal of fish. A shoal of fish. Fifth one, a choir of singers. A choir of singers. See the pictures. First one, a flock of goats. Where are goats? Yes, the third picture is correct answer. Second one, a bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. Where is bouquet? Yes, the first picture is correct answer. Third one, an army of soldiers. Army of soldiers. Where are soldiers? Yes, the last picture is the correct answer. Fourth one, a shoal of fish. Shoal of fish. Where are fish? Yes, the second picture is correct answer. Next, fifth one, a choir of singers. Choir of singers. Where are singers? Yes, the fourth picture is correct. The next Roman is pick the abstract noun. Pick the abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, feeling, thought, etc. There are some naming words that can be only felt and experienced. We cannot see or touch them. First sentence, he takes pride in his job. He takes pride in his job. In this sentence, pride is a correct answer. Second one, the dove is a symbol of peace. The dove is a symbol of peace. In this sentence, peace is a correct answer. Third one, my grandmother is full of wisdom. My grandmother is full of wisdom. In this sentence, wisdom is a correct answer. Fourth one, Inia is very tall for her age. Inia is very tall for her age. In this sentence, age is a correct answer. Fifth one, Prem felt a lot of anger. Prem felt a lot of anger. In this sentence, anger is a correct answer. Anger is a feeling. Only we can be felt. We cannot see or touch it. The next Roman, color the stars with the abstract nouns. Color the stars with the abstract nouns. See the stars one by one. Tiger, fear, fish, law, pen, joy, friend, rules, picture, freedom, kindness and computer. See the first star, tiger. Tiger is an abstract noun? No, tiger is not an abstract noun. Tiger is a animal. Next one, fear. Fear is an abstract noun? Yes, Fear is an abstract noun. Fear is a feeling. Next one, fish. Fish is not an abstract noun. Law. Law is an abstract noun. Next one, pen. Pen is not an abstract noun. Joy. Joy is an abstract noun. Friend. Friend is not an abstract noun. Rules. Yes, rules is an abstract noun. Next one, picture. Picture is not an abstract noun. Freedom is an abstract noun. Kindness also abstract noun. Last one, computer is not an abstract noun. So, fear, law, joy, rules, freedom, kindness. These are abstract nouns. Next Roman, fill in the blanks with the collective noun. Fill in the blanks with the collective noun. To indicate any group, we use collective noun. See the first picture. A dash of fish. A dash of fish. What is the correct answer? Yes, shoal is the correct answer. A shoal of fish. Group of fish called as shoal. A shoal of fish. Second one, a dance of birds. A dance of birds. Group of birds called as flock. Flock of birds. Third one, a dash of bees. A dash of bees. Group of bees called as swarm. Swarm of bees. The answer is swarm. Next Roman, circle the abstract noun. Circle the abstract noun. Fear, box, beauty, tree, taste, pencil, happiness, anger, honesty, book. Here, fear is an abstract noun. Box is not an abstract noun. Beauty is an abstract noun. Tree is not an abstract noun. Taste also abstract noun. Pencil is not an abstract noun. Happiness, anger, honesty, these are abstract noun. And last one, book is not an abstract noun. So, fear, beauty, taste, happiness, anger, honesty, these are abstract noun. These are only we can be felt and experienced. We cannot see or touch them. So these are abstract nouns. The next topic is compound words. A compound word is made when two words are joined to form a new word. When two or more words join together to give a new meaning word, it's called as compound words. The next Roman, write the compound words from the picture. Write the compound words from the picture. See the pictures. First picture is watch. And second picture is man. So what is the answer? Watch plus man, watchman. See the next picture. The first picture is star. Second picture is fish. So star plus fish means what is the correct answer? Starfish. Next one, rain. The first picture is rain. The next picture is bow. Rain plus bow, rainbow. Rainbow is the answer. The last picture, first picture is foot. The next picture is ball. Foot plus ball, football. What is the answer? Football. Next Roman, use the clues to complete the compound words. Use the clues to complete the compound words. See the first one. The first word is news. See the picture. The first picture is paper. So what is the answer? News plus paper, newspaper. See the second one. The first word is wheel. See the picture, chair. So, wheel plus chair. What is the correct answer? Wheelchair. Wheelchair is the compound word. Next one, basket. The first word is basket. See the picture? Ball. The picture is a ball. So, basket plus ball is a basketball. So, the basketball is the compound word. Next Roman, match the compound words. Match the compound words. Listen the pictures. The A side, first picture is hand. Second picture is ear. Third picture is dragon. Fourth picture is jelly. And see the B side pictures. The first picture is ring. Second picture is fish. Third one is bag. Fourth one, fly. Now listen. First picture is hand. And third B side third picture is bag. So hand plus bag. What is the correct answer? Handbag. Next second one. The A side picture is ear. And B side the first picture is ring. So ear plus ring. What is the answer? Earring. Next one. The third picture. Dragon. The third one. Dragon. B side. Listen the last one. Fly. The last picture is fly. So, what is the answer? Dragonfly. Next one, the fourth picture, jelly. The fourth picture is jelly. And B side, see the picture, fish. The second picture is fish. So, what is the answer? Jellyfish. The correct answer is jellyfish. Next Roman, connect the compound words and create a new word. Connect the compound words and create a new word. Listen the first set of words. Cup, ball, board. Cup plus ball equal to cup ball. Cup ball, is it a meaningful word? No, it is not a meaningful word. Next one. Cup plus board. Cup plus board equal to cupboard. Cupboard, is it a meaningful word? Yes, it is a meaningful word. So, cupboard is the compound word. The next set of words, cow, door, boy. Cow plus door, cow door. Is it a meaningful word? No, it is not a meaningful word. Next one, cow plus boy, cowboy. Cowboy is a meaningful word? Yes, it is a meaningful word. So, cowboy is the compound word. The next set of words are moon, light, paper. Moon plus light. Moonlight. Is it a meaningful word? Yes, it is a meaningful word. So, moonlight is the compound word. Next one. Moon plus paper. Moon plus paper. Moon paper. Moon paper, is it a meaningful word? No, it is not a meaningful word. Next set of words. Rain, chair, coat. Rain plus chair. Rain chair. Rain chair, is it a meaningful word? No, it is not a meaningful word. Next one, rain plus coat. Raincoat. Rain plus coat, raincoat. Raincoat, is it a meaningful word? Yes, it is a meaningful word. So, raincoat is the compound word. The next Roman, write the compound words from the pictures. Write the compound words from the pictures. See the pictures. The first picture is key. Second picture is board. Key plus board, what is the answer? Keyboard. The correct answer is keyboard. See the next set of pictures. The first picture is book. Second picture is worm. Book plus worm, what is the correct answer? Bookworm. Bookworm is the correct answer. Next Roman is use the clues and complete the compound words. Use the clues and complete the compound words. See the first one, cow. The first word is cow. Listen the picture. The picture is a boy. So, cow plus boy, what is the answer? Cowboy. Cow plus boy equal to cowboy. Next one, the second one, rain. The first word is rain. Listen the picture. What is the picture? Coat. So, second word is coat. Rain plus coat. What is the answer? Raincoat. Rain plus coat equal to raincoat. Raincoat is the answer. That's all, children. All our book back exercise are completed. Thank you.